G'day, it's Austin. Over the past few years, made over $13.5 million with Ecom. Let me hit refresh on Shopify so you know I'm not telling lies. Generated over 100,000 orders, which is what this beautiful Shopify trophy is for, as you can see up here, over 100K. And here's another store that I built just to show that I can do this again and again, because it's not just a one-hit wonder. And so great numbers here. Gonna hit the 10K trophy soon. That'll be cool to have more of these trophies. I like these trophies. And in this video, I just want to basically give you everything for free. Show you how I can teach you everything on how to build your own e-commerce store, achieve some financial freedom like I have with e-commerce, and building customer first e-commerce brands. What I've done is made this free 30-day first sale challenge. It's free to access, and it shows you exactly step-by-step how to find a product to sell, build a branded and trustworthy store, find suppliers for the products that are local, which is a big part of this formula that I've used that has allowed me to get such great results, launch with ads and get sales and scale. It's all in here. So broken into bite-sized pieces, videos, daily, step-by-step guides on what to do. And at the end, you can even see people talking about their results. Richard here, 31K profit in 7 days. Love it. Emma, 18K profit per month. Love it. Jack and Tash, 16K profit in 2 months. 8K profit per month. Love to see it. Kayla, 25K in 2 months. Awesome stuff. So all of that is in here, and it's step-by-step guides. And so if I click in here, let's go to one of the first actual lessons, finding winning products. Cool. You got me here. Look at me all smiley and happy, talking about how to find a winning product. Little dual camera angle there to keep it engaging and high quality. Then I actually show you how to find products. I then in the next video do a winning product reveal where I actually reveal some certain products that are worth looking into. I select one that I'll build a store with in this challenge. And then I actually go through and build everything out. I create the branding for that store. There's Will here, my co-founder and best mate. And so we show you how to create the branding. I do some brainstorming of brand names, then create a logo, then buy the domain, set up Gmail, create some logos, find one that we like and use that for the store. Love to see it. And then we go and actually build the store, build a Shopify store. Not just build it, but give you the theme to use as well. Keep it really easy. So you can import it, copy and paste straight in, plug and play. And I'll show you how to find content to use. We create some graphics. Look at all these templates for absolutely everything. It's all in here and it's all free in this first sale challenge. The goal of this is basically just to give you everything you need to get your first sale with building a customer first brand and many more beyond that. I just think first sale, people think, okay, cool. That's more realistic for me as a beginner to get my first sale. Realistically, I can do a lot more for you, like you've seen with the social proof I've showed you. But let's just get you your first sale. Show you how to do everything, customize absolutely all of it, set up your social media pages as well. And I give you templates for that too. Set them all up, give you some post templates to use in the beautiful tool that is Canva. So you can just copy and paste, adding your own brand details and then add them to your accounts. Set up emails so you can get more sales for every single person that comes to your store. How to set everything up with your ads, even creating your own ads. This is a big one here. There's Joshy, my other best mate and co-founder. So you talk about creating ads, how to find content, how to put it all together, how to create an ad that just works. I used to run a creative agency and we made over 2,000 video ads for Ecom brands. And apart from all the results I've got personally with Ecom, we made all of our clients a lot of money too with video ads. So I know how to make good ads and I teach you exactly how to do it using free editing tools so you can do it yourself. And then also how to launch the ads, because it's all well and good if you have good ads, a good product, a good store, but no one knows about it. So I show you how to set up those ad accounts, how to publish the campaigns step by step, setting everything up, my ad account structure I recommend for beginners, all in there. And then everything else you need, fulfilling orders, customer support, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to get access to the first sale challenge, I'll leave a link at the top of the description. It is free. It is all in there. Every template you could possibly need, it's all in there. And so I just wanted to show you this and say, if you're looking around trying to find e-commerce advice and you're trying to figure out who to listen to and what content to follow and how to basically get these results for yourself and start a profitable e-commerce store, I've put together this for free and I'm just giving it away. So go and check it out. We do giveaways in the community as well. So you can access the content. There's giveaways as part of it. You got people posting their first sales when they do hear their first cha-ching. Like there's all these screenshots in here. I'm scrolling very quickly and look at all of them. They're all in there. So you can go and check that out, as well as obviously the course material, the first sale challenge broken down into 30 days of great, easy to follow step-by-step guides. So go and do yourself a favor. Go and opt in, go and join that. It's free and it's the same stuff that I've used to make a lot of money with Ecom. So I wanted to share it with you for free. Go and check it out. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.